Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prashant, I'm the founder of Word Pandit, and I'm bringing this series of videos to you wherein I explain previous year CAT questions. Here we've got a CAT 2018 question, CAT 2018 RC question to be specific. Before we go through the video analysis, I would request you to go through the passage analysis video for this particular RC. It will help you understand this particular passage. Let's get started with the question. What is the question asking us here? Of the following, which would have added the least depth to the author's argument? So from these options, we've got to identify one which is going to add least depth to the author's argument. Now, in order to identify the answer, let's first identify what is the author's argument in this case. The author's argument in this case is we are too obsessed with metrics. We have a metric fixation. This metric fixation leads to gaming the system, leads to goal displacement. It leads to prioritizing short-term goals over long-term goals. We do not look for professional advice, but rather we are constantly looking for metrics for evaluation. So this is what is happening. Now, all of the options would add depth to the author's argument if they provide something new, if they provide new insights, if they add to what the author has said. Remember, we are searching for new information, things that he has already mentioned, facts which have already been stated, examples which have already been given. They are not going to add depth to the author's argument. New perspectives, new evaluations are going to add depth. So 3 out of these 4 options are going to add something to the author's argument. One option is not going to do that, right? The option which does not add anything to the or does not add much to the author's argument is option number B, and this is the one which adds least depth to the author's argument and is our correct answer. Why so? It states more real life illustrations of the consequences of employees and professionals gaming metrics based performance measurement systems. Remember, he's basically saying is there are more real life examples, illustrations of consequences of employees, professionals gaming metrics based systems. So you give more examples of people abusing metrics based performance systems. For example, the author has already mentioned the example of the police officers. He's already mentioned the example of the surgeons. So along similar lines, we'll have more examples. Would these examples add anything new? They won't. He's already provided us examples to explain the problem. So examples for the same thing or examples along similar lines, they are not going to add anything new to the argument. They will just be a repetition. Hence, this option is the correct answer here. Now let's look at the other options as well. Option D, assessment of the pros and cons of a professional judgment based evaluation system. This is going to add depth to the author's argument because now we will have a comparison with the matrix based system, right? So this will add something new which is not present in the passage. Option C, a comparative case study of matrix and non-matrix based evaluations and its impacts on the main goals of an organization. Something similar to option number D. Option number D is about professional judgment. Option number C is about non-matrix based evaluation. So a comparative of these two will actually further tell us that how matrix based evaluations, they are not working out, or they have issues, right? They have problems, or how the other evaluation system, the non-matrix based evaluations, these are better in nature. So again, something valuable added in both these options C and D. Option A, an analysis of the reasons why matrix fixation is becoming popular despite its drawbacks. This is again something new. Remember, the author in the argument he discusses matrix fixation and mentions 3 problems with matrix fixation. Now you're telling us in option number A, we are also going to tell us why is it becoming popular. So this would again be something new, a new perspective added, and new weight added to the author's argument. Hence options A, C and D all contribute positively to the author's argument. Option number B just provides more of the same information which is already there. Hence option number B is the correct answer. It adds least depth to the author's argument. This is how you evaluate this particular question. Hopefully so you are clear with the question now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, happy learning.